Hi, back. Hi, Sebastian. Good morning. It's early here in Germany. Welcome to this video. Maybe introduce yourself, say a few words, who you are.
Yes, a warm welcome from my side as well. Hello, Michael. Hello, KNX community. Yeah, it's my pleasure for today, for this morning, to explain to you how the channel to function linking works in the ETS. And I have prepared a project, and by using this project, I'm able to show you how to use the channel to function linking. I can start.
Start. Yeah,
Immediately.
perfect.
So, okay. As I explained, I prepared ETS project, and by using the project creation wizard, and by using the project creation wizard, you are able to not only create the project and the building, you are able to create functions within your project. And in my example here in the kitchen, I set up some push buttons to the kitchen. And as I can show you, the push button has several channels. And by using these channels here, we are now able to connect the sensor to the actuator. And I will show you this example. I have prepared here in my cabinets a combi actuator, and even this combi actuator has channels on the actuator side, and the sensor has the channels on the sensor side. And okay, the standard is to combine, to link these both devices by using the group addresses and link the group addresses to the communication objects. And the channel to function linking is one level higher above it. It combines the channels to the functions you set up in your ETS project. And
how do you start doing this?
Pardon?
How do you now connect a channel to a function?
Yeah, I will show you how to connect a function to a channel. I set up here a function, Arbeitslicht, which means this is a functionality which is only capable of switching light. And I have this function now, and I can link this function to this channel of the push button interface. By doing this, the ETS asks me how to link the communication objects to the group addresses which are included in the functionality. So as you can see here, the ETS made an example how to do this. Because the ETS, in my case, even knows how to do this because I trained it to her by linking the communication objects to the group addresses which are included into the function I prepared.
Right.
So I link.
So on the left, I see the group addresses of the function, right? And on the right, I see the object of that channel.
Absolutely correct. These are the communication objects of the channel, and these are the group addresses of the function. And the ETS asks you how to link the group addresses to the communication objects. Yeah. And yeah, I did it here in the preparation of this demo, and as you can see here, yeah, there are the communication objects for switching, and there is a communication object for the status feedback, and I connected it to the group addresses. And by clicking OK, the ETS links the functionality with the group addresses to these channel, and I can see it by clicking onto the channel here, and now I see the linking is done by the ETS. Yeah, and I can see the group addresses here at the push button sensor.
And I think the key is that it did two of the groups at once, right? That's the big difference.
Okay. You do only one link, and all the group addresses and communication objects within the channel are linked in one click.
Yeah, very nice.
Yeah. Okay. Now I showed you how to link the functionality to the push button interface, and now I have to link the actuator as well. And this I will show you now. I can click and link the Arbeitslicht to one of my relay contacts here. But as you can see here, the linking can be carried out, but I have to prepare the switching actuator as a switching actuator, because this is a combi actuator, and
Right.
the combi actuator is per default set up to shutter and blinds functionality.
Okay.
And I'm not able to link a switching light functionality to a shutter blind channel, so I have to
You
do
change some parameters first.
I have to change the parameters at first, and this is I have to do because ETS is not able to do this.
Exactly.
So I go to the parameter dialog of this actuator and click from the shutter and blinds to the switching functionality. And now I have two switching channels in my actuator, and I'm able to link the Arbeitslicht to one of these relay contacts here.
Okay.
By doing
and then
this,
the same starts again. Yeah.
the same starts again, the same dialog. I press OK, and now you can see the ETS has linked the Arbeitslicht function to my channel within the combi actuator.
Yeah, and I think you can also multi-select channels, right? So I believe you can also select the channel number 2 from the actuator.
Of course. Yes,
I
can show you.
Yeah.
I can set up more relay contacts to the switching functionality. So I have more channels here in my shutter and blinds and switching actuator. And now I'm able to multi-select several channels, and I'm able to link the function to more than only one channel.
Wow. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah, and again, the same effect happened, right? Yeah. Multiple
Yes,
objects.
the same effect happens, and I think it's a functionality I showed here to you, which made it more easier and more flexible, and made it quicker to go to your solution you want in your project.
Yeah, indeed. Very good. Well, thank you. Thanks for showing this to us.
That's it, Michael.
This, of course, works
not more,
with
not less.
6. Yeah, and it works with some products, right? Products need channels. But yeah, the way you showed it here, this looks really, really fast. Nice to see this. Yeah. Thank you.
Not for this.
See you next time.